Hey folks, welcome back to Muscle Cars of Texas, the best place to get your car done, restored, resto-mounted. But we have to say goodbye to our 67 Beaumont. It is going all the way back to Saskatchewan, Canada. We got a call from the owner and it's finally getting a little warmer up there and the snow is finally melting, so he's making arrangements to get the car picked up next week. It's, LS3, 5-speed automatic, vintage air. I mean, it's got all the bells and whistles. This satin paint that we put on it, custom interior, brakes, suspension work. I mean, you name it, this car's got it. So if you don't live in Canada, but you live somewhere in the US or anywhere, you can bring us your car from any part of the world. And you need to bring it right here at Muscle Cars of Texas.